picture ako lang. Baka may event pa tayo na. Alright? Dito. Para yung mga hindi nakatasa ko ba, i-play ba tayo na? Alright. Yung mga ito, alright, come on guys. Alright? Do you believe that in order to make more money, you have to be open-minded? Yes! Or close-minded? Open-minded. Because I have never met a person who made money while being close-minded. Tama yun. Unless may nakilala na kayo. No? Mayaman, nilapitan mo, excuse me sir, bakit ka mayaman? Ako mayaman ako kasi close-minded ako. Diba? Walang gano'n. Tama? I believe everybody who made a lot of money, who is rich, wealthy, or successful, one time in their lives was open to an opportunity kaya sila yumaman. Tama yun eh? Well, tonight can be one of those nights. Itong gawin to can be one of those nights for anyone here in the room. Given that we keep an open mind and we keep an open heart. Kasi here in Global Fusion, we believe that opportunities enter the minds of those who are open. Do you believe that also? Yes! Right. 5 years ago, I was just like you. I was sitting there. Na-invite din po ako. Sabi, may makain daw. Tama. So ako'y agad-agad ng magalini. Ay, nagbihis. May pakain daw eh. Basta pagkain, ang bilis, no? No, but he told me that there would be an opportunity. May pag-uusapan ng opportunity. Alright? Yun din ba sinabi sa inyo? Baka naman sinabi sa inyo, busy ka dali, nunod tayo sa sine. Ito na po yung sine. May popcorn kayo? Right? I sat, alala ko, I sat right there, somewhere there. Swerte po yung mga upuan na. Yun po ang... I remember that day, because that day, I was sitting there, bago mag-umpisa, sabi ko, naku, alam ko na to. Ang daming tao, nagpapalakpakan, alam ko na to. Na-invite na ako sa ganito dati. But anyway, I told myself, nandito na ako, may mawawala pa ba? Nandito ka na eh, tama yun eh. Might as well listen to it, right? Can you see the hands of the first timers? Yung ngayon pa lang makakaminig ng business opportunity, can you see your hands? Can you see your hands? Go ahead. Swerte yung mga tataas na kamay. Alright, can we give our first timers a big round of applause? The future millionaires of Global Fusion Incorporated. We believe that somewhere here is the next multi-millionaire of Global Fusion. Kasi nung kami naman mga multi-millionaire ngayon, nakaupo dyan, hindi naman po namin alam na mangyayari yun sa amin eh. Nakikinig lang kami ng panahon na yun. It just so happens we kept an open mind. Kaya pumasok yung oportunidad and we grabbed it and the rest is history. Alright? Millions after. Okay? So, kung ikaw yung tipong tao na naghahanap-hanap na rin ng oportunidad sa buhay, nagdasal ka na rin ng break. Alam mo yung break? Break? Bigyan mo naman ako ng break. Diba? Yun na please give me a break. Pagkakataon. Well, tonight, it just may be answered already. Just make sure na habang sinasagot siya, you never know that you keep an open mind throughout the opportunity. Do we have a deal for the next 1 hour? Can we all keep an open mind and listen to the opportunity? Deal? Yes. Deal? Yes. Alright, because tonight, we guarantee one thing, we will not waste your time. Okay? We will not waste your time because we don't want to waste our time either. In respect to that, we will make sure, alright, that you will be making money with this opportunity. Do you want to start? Yes. Alright, the name of the company is Global Fusion Incorporated. Alright, Global Fusion Incorporated. And this is our global business strategy. Okay? Now, for you to understand Global Fusion more before I start, I want to ask, just very, very quick, mabilis lang. Kung importante po ba sa inyo itong mga bagay na to? Number 1, is this important for you? Financial freedom. Yes. Ang kumita na malaki, importante. Yes. Alright. Number 2, ability to sleep with a smile on your face. Yung abilidad na matulog na nakangiti. Nagagawa mo ba yun madalas? Ha? O hindi na nakakatulog sa dami ng problema? Pero yan ang inaasam natin, tama? Alright, number 5. Do you want? Ayan na, maraming nangangarap dito. Travel and quality time with your loved ones. Ang maikot ang buong mundo na kasama ang mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Pangarap, hindi. Pangarap yan, alright? So, hanggang saan ba pinag-uusapan natin? Kaya po, saan? Ay, Europe! Okay, sorry. Europe ba? Yes, alright. Secured future. Yung secure my future, may importante din. Alright. Yung tipong pag tinignan mo 10 years from now, tinanong mo sa sarili mo, saan kaya ako 10 years from now? Saan kaya ako, makikita mo yung future ko, very bright. Mahirap kasi pag tinanong mo sa sarili mo, saan kaya ako dadamutin 10 years from now? Tapos wala ka nakitang vision. Patay tayo dyan. Tama? You have to have something in your head. Now, the last one, is this important para sa inyo? Helping other people. Ang makatulong sa ibang tao, importante din sa'yo. Okay? Very good. Because if you said yes to these opportunities, this is exactly the opportunity we will be providing to you tonight here in Global Fusion Incorporated. First of all, let me introduce to you our management. Alright? Our president, the president of Global Fusion Incorporated, Mr. Enrico Noel Uy, is an Ateneo graduate of economics. Ateneo graduate of economics. Very competent in business. He's a businessman. And at the same time, our vice president, Mr. Bong Escobedo, is a very high-ranking corporate guy. Now, both of these men are working full-time as the president and the vice president of Global Fusion Incorporated. 33 years of combined experience in this type of industry. 33 years! May experience na kaya yun? Competent na kaya yun? Yes, alright, 33 years, and they have experience doing this type of a business in 43 countries worldwide. 43 countries, maraming bansa kaya yun? So, do you think these guys, they know what they're doing? Alam nila ang ginagawa na, and that is why, until today, they are the leaders of this organization, of this business. Alright? Now, our vision is to be the ultimate benchmark in the world of global e-commerce by uplifting a billion lives. Pag sinabing uplifting, ang ikagaganda ng bilyong buhay. Magandang adikain. Alright? Magandang adikain. Kasi kami naniniwala, when you uplift others, you uplift yourself. Kasabay yan. Tama yun eh. The more people you help, the more you help yourself. Tama? Naniniwala kami dyan. To uplift one life at a time in the service of humanity through the fusion of a global family, connected in heart and mind. Pero more than anything else, ito po ang pinaka-importante, naniniwala kami sa core values. Okay? Core values which is integrity, commitment, and love for God and others. Importante ba yung tatlong bagay na yan sa negosyo? Napaka. Kasi hindi ka makikipag-partner sa mga taong walang integridad, sa taong walang commitment, at sa taong walang takot sa ibang tao at sa Diyos. Tama hindi? Alright. Now, our partners. Now, sabi nila sa buhay, you can tell a lot about a person by the company they keep. Ibig sabihin, birds of a feather are the same bird. Tama? Correct? Sabi na magkakasama daw, yan naman pare-pareho. So, in business, you can tell a lot about the company by the partners they have. Okay? Our partners, number 1. Okay, we are in partnership with Sanisa Corporation. It's a 35-year-old Indian nutraceutical company. Number 2, we are also partnered with Conal Brothers, a 120-year-old trading company working here in the Asia Pacific Rim. Number 3, we are also in partnership with Charles and Crystal. Would you happen to know the name Joy Lim? Narinig niyo yung Joy Lim? Alright, saan sa channel 2 nyo napapanood? Tuwing Chinese New Year, tama? Miss Joy Lim is number 1 feng shui expert in the Philippines today. She's also in partnership with us. Right? Number 4, we are also partnered with Miss Earth. Okay? Ano niyo Miss Earth? Pageant. Alright? Dito na ba yun o international? Yes, we are in partnership with Miss Earth International, and later we will have a surprise announcement for you. You have to be very excited about this. Okay? Number 5, our latest partnership, we are also in partnership with Paami. Okay, who is Paami? Okay, it's the Beauty and skincare, malakas ba yan? Malakas ba yan? Hindi lang malakas yan, napakalakas ng negosyong yan. Right? Beauty and skincare. Now, alright, our sales of quality, para makampante naman kayo. Kasi minsan, tinatanong ng tao, may products kayo, safe ba yan? Tinatanong ba yan? Safe ba yan? Isa ba yun sa mga gusto mong malaman sa isang produkto? Kung safe ba yan, okay? It is very, very safe. It's kosher certified. Our products are kosher certified. It also has VCAPs. It's again, we use vegetables, not gelatinous substances para sa ating mga capsules. We also have good manufacturing practice for GMP, seal of approval. Also, we have halal. Dito halal. Sino gumagamit yan? Right. Kasi may standards sila sa mga products. Right? Hindi pwedeng lahat ng product alay nila. Dapat may standards sila. So, halal. Also, we have. And also, we are also approved by, of course, our very own FDA or Food and Drug Authority. Right? So, pag may mga seal ng approval na to, safe kaya yun? Siguro naman, hindi dadahan o hindi bibigay yung seal na yan, ano? Kung hindi effective at safe yung mga products natin. Agree? Alright. So, mamaya may magtatanong pa ulit, magtatalas ng kamay. Safe ba? Hindi ko nasasagutin yan, ha? Alright? It's safe and our products are very effective. Now, I'd like to introduce to you our product packages. Okay? Now, in business, either you're selling a service or you're selling a product. Okay? Either nagbebenta ka ng servisyo, nagbebenta ka ng produkto. Dalawa lang yan. So, when you ride a taxi cab, is that service or product? Services yan. When you go to the spa, services yan. When you buy a can of corned beef, product. So, it's easy to distinguish, ano? But anytime there's services or product, that's changing hands. Negosyo po yan. Tama? May kumikita at may tagabili. Correct? Alright. Now, we have a very, very exciting product package for you. Just 5 months ago, we launched a phenomenal product. When I say phenomenal product, it means product na ang taas ng demand sa market. Yung tipong halos lahat ng tao kailangan siya. Right? And hindi na halos lahat ng tao kailangan siya. And I can prove it. Okay? I can prove it. Isang question lang. Sa lahat ng tao nakikinig ngayon, may kilala ba kayo na hindi nagsasabon? Siya? No, honestly, may kilala kayo na hindi nagsasabon? O lahat ng tao nagsasabon? No? Ever since? Nung bata ka nagsasabon ka? Nung teenager ka nagsasabon ka? Nung tumanda ka nagsasabon ka pa rin? Yung mga pamilya mo nagsasabon? Yung mga kapit-bahay mo kaya nagsasabon? The truth is, lahat, everybody uses soap. Is that right? So, do we have a product that everybody uses? Yes. Ang maganda niyan, the brand that we launched, the name is Aura. Okay? Hindi po siya ang product namin, siya ang face ng product namin. Hindi ko na-excite naman masyado. Tama? Siya po yung aming face of Aura. Okay? Siya yung aming official model of Aura. Her name is Jamie Harrell. She just won Miss Earth Philippines. She's Miss Cebu. And now, she's competing for Miss Earth International this November. And it just so happens, she is also the official face of Aura. Palakpakan niyo naman. Right? Supportahan ba natin yan this coming Miss Earth? Yes, alright. She has very good chances of winning. Aside from that, yung brand namin, ang beauty and skincare namin is backed up by doctors. This is the president. I would like you to meet Dr. Charlie Mendez, the president of PAMI. PAMI is the organization I've been telling you, talking to you about. Almost 300 doctors. He's the president. And accepted by PAMI ang products natin. Aside from that, Generation RX co-host sa Channel 23, okay, Miss Dr. Cecilia Katama, alright, is also not endorsing, but she's also using our products, and at the same time, alright, she's also asking people or telling people to use it. She's also teaching us how to use it properly. Nakita niyo naman yata sa video kanina, tama? Alright. So, tingin nyo yung backup ng product na to, credible? Credible naman, ano? So, ano ba yung mga products na to? Well, aside from the medical field, there are also a lot of celebrities using Aura. Okay? Kilala niyo ba ito mga to? Alright? Tinukuha lang namin yan sa Facebook or sa Twitter. Bottom line, these people or these celebrities are also using Aura already. So, doctors, accepted by doctors. Celebrities, used by celebrities. Maganda kaya ang produkto natin? Maganda kaya, no? Now, ang malaking tanong, ano ba yung mga products na yan, Nico? Okay? Well, I would like to introduce to you 3 product packages from Aura. The first Aura package consists of our Aura soap collection. We have 6 types of soap, 6. Oh, Nico, ba't ang dami? Kasi ang skin type iba-iba. Naintindihan? Hindi lahat ng tao pare-pareho ng balat. Kaya we have 6 types of soap. Number 1, one of our top-selling soaps, the Aura Stem Cell, Apple Stem Cell Soap. Have you heard of this technology? Stem cell technology? Right. It is the anti-aging soap. Alright? Anti-aging soap. Have you heard of that? Anti-aging. In other words, sabon na pampabata. Testimony say from people who use our product or our Apple Stem Cell Soap, yung mga wrinkles na unti-unting nawawala. Alright? Iba nakikita. Gusto ko yan. Alright? Yung wrinkles unti-unting nawawala. Plus, they have better skin. Kasi ang ginagawa niya, regenerate niya yung cells mo, nagmumukhang mas bata yung balat mo. Gusto mo ba yun? Right, that's what our Apple Stem Cell does to your skin, yung soap na yun. Number 2, we have what we call the honey butter soap with shea butter, honey, and royal jelly. Okay? Ano naman nagagawa ng Rico? Well, it's for dry skin. Moisturizing siya. Number 3, we have what we call our slimming soap. Slimming. Bago sa pandinig? Slimming soap. Ano nagagawa nun? Nakakapagpapayat. Well, not naman exactly nakakapagpapayat. What it does is it tightens and it firms your skin. Kasi minsan, pag medyo chubby ka tapos pumayat ka, ang nangyayari sa skin mo ano? Nagsasag. Kaya pag kumakaway ka, kumakaway din yung dalawa yung kumakaway. Pati ito. Tama? Right. What it does is tinatighten, pinafirm niya yung skin mo. Alright? Para tight yung skin mo. That's the slimming soap. Number 4, we also have the oatmeal soap. Or this is our health soap. Para to sa mga madalas mag-pimple, people who have psoriasis, people who have acne, people who have any skin-related disease. Very good yung oatmeal soap. Okay? Para sa mga may skin-related disease. Pero hindi porket wala ka skin-related disease, ibig sabihin hindi ka mag-oatmeal soap. Kasi it's also a very good exfoliant. Dinilinis niya yung iyong balat. Right? Number 5, we also have what we call the oatmeal, honey butter. Hindi ba? Huli natin yan. Okay? We have the, how can I forget our top-selling soap? Grabe to. Our top-selling soap, the 10-in-1 Ultimate Whitening Soap. Now, in the Philippines, marami ba ang gusto pumuti? We are the whitening capital of the world, mga kapatid. Sa Pilipinas, pinakamaraming tao gusto pumuti. Do you believe that? Totoo po yan, kahit tingnan mo yung statistics, right? That's why when your business is whitening, you can never go wrong. You will make a lot of money, especially when your product works. Thus, the 10-in-1 Ultimate Whitening Soap work. Mga distributor, gumagana ba siya? Hindi lang siya gumagana. Mabilis siya gumana. We have testimonies within 3 to 5 days saying people are noticing yung whitening ng skin nila. Our products are not just safe. It's not just, that doesn't just work. It works fast. Mabilis siya gumana. Hanap ba ng tao ngayon yun? Yung instant. O, di ba? Lahat ng instant ngayon. Instant noodles, instant na. Di ba? Not instant eh. So pati yung whitening instant na. Right? We also have our skin nutrition system. Kung ito naman ay panligo or soap o panghilamos, ito naman skin nutrition system natin, facial skincare set. Kompleto na yan from day regimen to night regimen. May kasama pa yung bonus na DO whitening spray. Okay. Now, para sa yung DO whitening spray? DO whitening spray. Para mapaputi na, marami mong may gusto nun. Tignan mo yung billboard sa EDSA. Pansin mo lang, lahat ng billboard sa EDSA, ba't kailangan nakataas yung kami ng babae? No? Pansin niya? No? Kasi importante din yan. No? Right? So, excellence. And finally, do you want to smell good? Or do you want to smell great? Do you want to smell great? We also have here in Global Fusion, the colors of aura, 5 panlalaki, 5 pababae, original scents. Okay? Perfumes. Malakas na negosyo ba ang perfumes? Malakas na negosyo ngayon yan. Alright? Now, lahat ng product packages na yan, alright, are our premium product packages. You can get it at 11,500 pesos only. Okay? Sa 11,500, you already have your business, you already have your products, but at the same time, gusto nyo malaman paano makakabawi? Right? Kasi sa negosyo, di ba, tinatanong minsan yan yung return of investment. Okay, I'll tell you how. Simple na. Alright? For example, our Aura Soap package. Right? May kasama yung 15 na stem cell soap. 3 21, 3 slimming, 3 oatmeal, 3 honey nut butter soap, 3 love soap. Alright? Yung love soap na pala, hindi ko nasabi, it's our magic soap. Controversial siya. Okay? Tanong nyo na lang sa upline nyo ba't sa tinawag na love soap. Alright? Pero best-selling yan. Tahimik lang yung mga gamit. Wala masyadong testimony. Hindi nagpa-post sa Facebook. Okay? Alright? Now, okay? These, lahat to, we give you 30. Can you say 30? 30. 30 soaps na kasama dyan sa Aura Soap package na yan. Alright? Pag ikaw na benta mo or na retail mo yung mga products na yan, ang worth niya 15,840 pesos. Magkano binayaran mo? Magkano bumalik? Value for money? In fact, we're giving back more than 137% value for money. Ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung nakuha mong amount kesa dun sa linabas mo pera. Ito ang ganda sa Global Fusion. Hindi ka pa nag-uumpisa ng negosyo. Lamang ka na. Tama? Right. So meron akong kaibigan ako nagtatanong, Biko, gano'ng katagal bago ko mabawi yung pera ko? Sabi ko, real time. Kasi pagkabas ka ng pera mo, nasa iyo ka, nagbawi ka na, lamang ka pa nga eh. Tama hindi? Right? So, meron ka ng profit na 4,200 pesos. Maganda ba yun? Extra? 4,200? Maganda yun? Uuwi na tayo. Okay na pala yan. Ha? O you want more? Do you want to make 4,200 or do you want to make 4,200 per day? Gusto per day? Sige, I'll show you the marketing plan. Ito. This will be just very, very quick, so I want everyone to be attentive. Is that okay? Alright, number 1, the first way to make money. Okay? The moment you're a member ng Global Fusion by purchasing the package, bukod dun sa 4,200 na tubo dun sa product, automatic 30 to 35% off ka na rin sa lahat ng products ng Global Fusion lifetime. For the rest of your life, 35% off ka na sa lahat ng products natin. So kung ikaw user, discount na yun. Maganda ba yun? Yes! Biruin mo, sa nakakatindahan, bumili ka lang ng certain amount, discounted ka na for the rest of your life. Sa lahat ng product natin. Maganda ba yun? Yes! Right. Now, kung ikaw user, discount yan. Pero pag ikaw pusher, right? Sabi kasi nila, yung mga user, eventually nagiging pusher. It's the same here. It's very, very simple. Gamitin mo, i-share mo yung effects sa iba. Pag share mo yung effects sa iba, nakita ka bumuputi, umiinis, ano tatanungin? Ano Yung walang Facebook, Friendster. Tama? May Facebook ka? Right. Marami ka friends? Yes. Nag-networking ka? Sino dito nag-networking? Taas ang kamay. Ba't pumunti? Sino dito may FB? Taas kamay. O magbubaba ang kamay mo. Pag nag-FB ka, nag-networking ka. I want you to understand that. Facebook is called social networking. In other words, matagal ka nang nag-networking, hindi mo lang alam. Tama? Alright. Ang sinasabi namin, pinapayaran ka ba ni Mark Zuckerberg ng Facebook? Hindi? Dito ka na lang mag-networking, babayaran ka namin. Tama? Alright. Now, what you have to do, share your experience of our products online and offline. Promote mo lang yung benefits of products. And when someone buys from you, you make a 35% profit. Kikita ka pa. Kumanda ka na, bulsa mo kumanda din. Tama? Alright. Now, number 2. Ayan, kasi marami nagtatanong, are the products effective and saleable? Alam mo, totoo lang I can show you all these pictures. Kaya lang at the same time, marami pa lang nagsasabi, ay, ano yan, edited yan, Photoshop yan, metro ganyan. Although lahat yan are real testimonies of our users. Hindi kami mauubusan ng testimonies sa dami ng gumamit at sa dami ng naka-experience ng Aura. But at the end of the day, if you want to really find out if Aura is effective, there is only one way to find out. Gamitin mo. Ayaw namin masyadong magsalita. Tama? Because our products can talk for itself. Pwede siya magsalita para sa amin. They can prove us right. Tama? So gagamitin? Yes! Alright. Now, number 2, direct enrollment bonus. Right? Direct enrollment bonus is if someone, you refer to the business, nakita niya yung business, nakita yung products, ay maganda yan. Can I sell? Oo naman, ganito. Purchase a product package and then start sharing with your friends. If someone you refer enters the business, sumali, okay, at ikaw ang nag-invite, automatic, meron ka 500 pesos. Alright? Is that good money? Yes! Oo naman, hindi manitin yan. Lahat na malaki, nagsimula sa maliit. Alright? 500 pesos. What if you get 10 people? 5,000. How much? 5,000. Gumaganda na? Yes. What if you get 20 people? 10,000. What if you get a whole barangay? Barangay 1,000. Dami naman. Right? You can make as much money as you want. You can invite as many as you can. Okay? Kasi remember, hindi lang isang taong kakilala mo ang gustong kumanta, ang gustong maging healthy, and at the same time, ang gustong kumita ng pera. Tama hindi? Marami yan. Okay? So, every time someone joins your business, you make 500 pesos. Good money? Yes, but I did not promise you 500 pesos. I said you can make 360,000 naman. Paano yun? Napakasimple. Right? Number 3, point system matching. How does this happen? All you need to do is out of your... Sino may FB ulit? I need to see. Dito. This is front row. Yeah. With Facebook. Your name, please. Roxanne. Roxanne, how many friends do you have on Facebook? Thousands. Wow, popular. Okay? Very popular. Okay, thousands, right? Out of your 1,000 friends, Roxanne, out of your 1,000 friends, do you think there are 2 friends there who want to make money, who want to become successful, and who want to become have good skill? Out of your thousands, may dalawa. O tingin mo more than dalawa? More than 2, right? Let's start with 2. Kahit dalawa lang yan, all you have to do, your business will have a left side and a right side. Okay? On your left side, you put 1 referral. On the right side, you put 1 referral. Automatic, when the company sees that you have 1 on the left, 1 on the right, magmamatch yan. Pag nag-match yan, the company will pay you another 1,200 pesos commission. Maganda ba yan? So, magkano na? 500 plus 500? Plus 1 to? Pwede na? 2,200? Not bad. Kasi kung iintayin mo yan sa promotion sa trabaho, abutin ka matagal bago ka nilagdagan yan. Tama hindi? Alright. But the good thing is, Roxanne, tingin mo yung dalawang kaibigan mo. May mga kaibigan din yun. O zero yung friends nila sa Facebook. Marami din. Pwede ka natin kayong dalawa yan. Meron din. So if your friend A gets 2, your other friend gets 2, what happens? Kikita si friend A, Hindi mo alam. I'll tell you. Okay? Because you have 2 points on the left, 2 points on the right. Ibig sabihin, you created 2 pairs, 2 times 1,200. Meron ka? 2,400. Now, ito maganda dyan, Roxanne. Ikaw pa ba nagbenta dito? Dito? Doon at doon? Hindi na. Pero kumita ka. Magandang negosyo ba yan? Magandang negosyo yan. Now, ito exciting dyan. Do you think it stops there? No. When will it stop? It won't stop. Does everybody want to make money? Yes. So when will it stop? It won't stop. So if it doesn't stop, your income doesn't stop. Tama hindi? Let's see how much you can make within 1 year. Given na in 1 month, dalawa lang ang nakukuha in 1 month. Right? Projections na, paglarawan natin. Roxanne, your first month, nakakuha ka dalawa, 1 month bago dalawa. Right? How much did you make on your first month? You make 1,200 pesos. That's 500, 2,200. Not bad? Pwede na. On the second month, yung dalawang nakuha mo, nakakuha na ng tagalawa. Medyo mabagal sila kumilos, no? Isang buwan bago makakuha ng dalawa. Because let me tell you, there are people here who can get 2 within 1 week. Kaya nila. Pero kung talagay na natin na dalawa na lang in 1 month. Okay? On the second month, you make 2,400. On the third month, you make 4,800. On the fourth month, 8 points on the left, 8 points on the right, times 1, 2, you make 9,800. Gumaganda na yung business? Yes. Ikaw pa rin ba ang nagbebenta? There's a difference between working hard and working smart. Tama? Right. Now let's see what happens on the 5th month, the 6th month, 7th month, 8th month, 9th month, 10th month, 614,000, 720,000, and finally, on the 12th month, December, okay, of another 720,000. Pwede na? Sabi siya, lahat ng malaki, nag-uumpisa sa maliit. Right? Ang pinakamaganda niyan, if compute all of that in 1 year, you made 2.6 million pesos. Simple. Simple, no? Ito pa maganda dyan. Hindi lang ikaw kumikita. Lahat yan kumikita. Tama, hindi? Nakakatulong ka sa iba? Ito pa maganda dyan. Hindi lang kumikita yan. Lahat yan gumaganda pa. Maganda negosyo? Ito maganda dyan. Right? Now, we also have bonuses, infinity bonus. For you to make money, all you have to do is get 5. Can you say 5? 5. 5 directs. Ibig sa dalawa, kunin mo 5. Pag nakakuha ka ng 5, automatic may 3% ka na lahat ng check-in ng mga downline mo sa point system matching till infinity. Alright? Maganda ba yun? In other words, the bigger money na kinikita ng mga tao mo, ng mga organization mo, the bigger money that you make. So anong goal mo? Ang goal mo is tulungan ng ibang tao kumita na malaki. Kasi pag ibang tao kumita na malaki, ikaw kikita na mas malaki. Magandang negosyo? Right. The more you help other people earn, the more you earn. Right? Now, number 5, we also have what we call the unit level income. Is so consumable. Nauubos ba yan? Mga mami, madalas kong bilhin niyan commodity ngayon sa bahay. Sabon, parang kape yan, ano? Miss maubos. Malingat ka lang, bibili ka na naman. Tama? Kaya ito maganda dyan. Sa negosyo, pag may repeat order, meron din tinatawag na repeat profit kung negosyante ka. Kasi kumuha uli. Tama? So ikaw, kumita ka uli. Ito maganda dyan. Right? On your first level, sino yung first level? Yan yung una mong na-invite into the business. Pag siya nakabenta o gumamit, meron ka 6%. Question, ikaw ang nagbenta. Ikaw ang gumamit. Pero kumita ka. Alright, ito maganda dyan. On your second level, yan yung kakilala ng kakilala mo. Kilala mo ba kaya ako? Pwede. Pinakilala sa'yo. Tama? Pero pag siya gumamit ng product, when he consumes the product, you get 4% pa. Ng kahit anong mabenta niya o kahit anong gamitin niya. Maganda? Alright. So your level, you get how much? 4%. On the fourth level, you get? Question. So fourth level, kilala mo ba ito? Kilala mo ba? Hindi natin alam kung nasan yan. So every time yung taong yan, iinom ng coffee ng Global Fusion, kumikita ka. Ibig sabihin, sa umaga pa lang, pag inom niya ng coffee, ikaw, kumigising ka pa lang, kumita ka na. Maganda ba yun?
Yes!
Right. Eh, naliligo kaya itong mga tao to?
Yes!
Naliligo kaya yan? Kasi may kilala ko hindi nagkakape. Pero wala akong kilala hindi nagsasabon. Tama?
Yes!
Correct? So every time they take a bath, you make money. Every time they talk about our products, you make money. Every time they speak to someone about our business, you make money. Every time you make money. Do you want to make money?
Yes!
Every time?
Yes!
Join Global Fusion and you will make money. Alright? So finally, I've come to the end of the presentation. Simple lang, ano?
Yes!
Dalawang tao lang, kaya?
Yes!
2 people, kaya?
Yes!
Kayang-kaya mo yan. Simple lang yan. Right? But before I end, of course, okay, I would like to say, join the Aura Revolution to